Alright, we are on the second floor of the Hilton St. Pete-Clearwater Hotel here in St. Pete, Florida. And these are the elevators here. They are Otis Series 5, probably Gen 2. Now, I'm starting on 2 because these open up right in front of the front desk. And I don't know if we'll be waiting, but that one's broken right now, so... And perfect, it's waiting just right here for me. Alright, up to 9. No call wreck, interesting. Here we go. Nine. Alright, let's go back to 2. Here we are on 2. Alright, let's go back up to 9. Otis, listen. Nine. Let's get a little look around, because why not? There's a view out. This is located within Carillion Park. I wonder if this is the same Carillion in Roanoke, because the one in Roanoke, they're contracted with Otis and all of their newer properties of Gen 2. And look, we got Gen 2s here. But here's a hallway view. Just a basic mid to late 2000s era hotel hallway. There's me in the mirror with my Deadpool coat. Hello. Alright. And it looks like it just left me, but it is what it is. I'm guessing over there's the service elevator, but we're not gonna bother with it because it's probably just another Series 5. Actually, you know what? We'll get a quick look. And we'll get a view while we're at it. It's locked. Oh well. And it already left me. Perfect. Perfect timing. One there. And we're stopping on 8. Heading down? You heading down?
Yeah.
You're good. I'm not gonna film you. I'm just getting video of the elevator. right, you have a wonderful day.
You too.
There it goes.